Hi you guys, today we're going to be rating slime. So first up is the slushy slime. Okay, so this is the slushy slime. I love it. It's so satisfying and I just love it. Look you guys, so gooey. Second up is Jello slime. So this is the Jello slime. I like it. And it's so good. I just like it. Next up is the ice cream slime. Ooh, look you guys. It's a little wet, but in first place is slushy. Second place is ice cream. In third place is Jello slime. Bye.